Hi, this is Tom with Silcom. This is a 2012 Ram 2500 crew cab. It has the 6.7 liter Cummins diesel motor. This was a oil field research company vehicle. Basically has spent its life out here in the Southwest. They use these trucks to haul equipment and crews out to oil sites. I have been getting a ton of calls from customers that just need a good machine. So cosmetics is not their first issue. They basically need to get back to work because they've lost their vehicles in Houston. And even some people from Florida. I sold one to a guy from Florida last week. So I am not doing the cosmetics on this truck. I'm pricing it thousands of dollars under loan value. We've gone through the vehicle from end to end to make sure it's a good running machine. The platform's extremely reliable. The 6.7 Cummins diesel is pretty much legendary. This is also the non-DEF model. I think this might have been the last year for that, which makes it very desirable. So, good running truck, new brakes, brand new tires. Body is clean, but it's got it's got some minor dents in it. No accident history. 8-foot bed. It's got got a nice toolbox there. The strength to open it. Got the factory towing package with the electric trailer brake inside. The bed is in decent shape. It's got a mat in it, but it's a little bit dinged and scuffed up underneath the mat. But overall, the bed's in decent shape. High output diesel. Okay. Like I said, Michelin tires all the way around, and they're almost fresh. They probably had 1,000 miles on them. Okay, let's take a look inside. Like I said, it is dusty and dirty. These trucks sit out in the desert, and they definitely get dirty. So I am going to take it to my detail shop and have them scrub out the seats and the floors, so they won't look like this when you get it. But this is the way we traded for the truck. It's got power side view heated towing mirrors, and of course windows and locks. Showing 107,598 on the miles. Got a nice stereo that works great, MP3 stereo. On the other side. Okay. That's where they had their computer stand. I've got the apparatus for that too, so I'll throw it in the truck in case you need to look at your computer while you're driving. Got the books. So anyway, it was owned and operated by one company. We did all the fluids and filters on it. And check the truck out to make sure it's a good machine from end to end. So it's a good driver. You can fly into El Paso and drive this truck anywhere with confidence. Let me start it up so you can hear it run. diesel. Like I said, it's dirty in here, but got a couple brand new batteries. As I said, we did do the fluid changes, fresh air filter, and the fuel filter as well. So anyway, like I said, this is a work truck. If you lost your vehicle, or if you're just looking for something super cheap that you can use and make some money with, this is a great choice. This is Tom with Selcom. My phone number is area code 915-244-2871. You can call me here in El Paso if you have any questions or concerns, and I really appreciate it when my customers call me. It always makes for a better sale. You can follow us on eBay under Selcom, and that's SELKCOMM, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that's also under Selcom, SELKCOMM, and that way when we get inventory updates, you'll be notified. A lot of my customers find that very useful. So this is pretty much my profile. I sell work trucks. I've been doing it here in El Paso for close to 30 years. And some of the stuff that I'm going to offer in the next few months is going to be mechanically sound, but it may have some cosmetic issues. I'm doing that so my customers can get on the road as cheap as possible. So give me a call here in El Paso if you have any questions or concerns. This is Tom with Selcom, and I do appreciate your looking. Thank you.